All right, guys, I am Chris Palmer, and in today's video, we will discuss what are backlinks, what are backlinks for SEO, and how they will affect your SEO and showing up higher on the Google SERPs, and how they will help you with your Google rankings. That's in today's video. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe. What are backlinks? Backlinks are a hyperlink that is a link, a direct link back to your website. Will be a reference, especially if it's in text. It will be a reference back to another website. Okay? So a reference or a vote, as others say, from one website to another. If a person puts a backlink, a webmaster puts a backlink on their webpage in a piece of content to your website, then they are saying, they are giving you a vote to your website, passing PageRank, passing the mythical link juice, right, to your website. They are giving you a vote. They are saying, my website is about this. This website is about this also, or at least related, and I am giving some of my page rank. I am basically vouching for this other website. Now, what a backlink is it could be in some text, okay? There, as you know, out in the wild, there is such a thing as outreach. You can also buy links, not recommended. There's PBN links. There are so many different types of links that you can get. And how they affect your ranking is very simple. When you're getting votes from other pages, it signals to Google that you're relevant and that your site actually matters. All of the large websites will have a lot of backlinks. That's how they push up in the SERPs. I decided to go ahead and make some of these videos because I realized that not everyone is at the intermediate or expert, wants to know case studies. They're really at the beginning of learning SEO. So I'm going to make a series. This is part of the series. What are backlinks and what are they for SEO? So if we go to Huffington Post, I just want to show you what a backlink is so you know. And then you actually run into two other things. There's do follow and no follow, and that will be in the next video. Let's just go right to Google. Actually, I'm dancing around because I just want to get the point across. What is a backlink? It's really a vote. It's another website saying that, hey, this is valuable content. I'm passing some of my reputation, my page rank to another site. But let me just read exactly what is a backlink. There's a lot of people, hey, maybe you haven't typed it in. Maybe you stumbled across this video. So it's an incoming hyperlink from one page to another website, and that is the most basic definition of what a backlink is. It is simply a link from one website to another, okay? Now, if we head back to Huffington Post, you will see backlinks. I will show you them in the wild, okay? So let's head right over to Huffington Post to take a look and show you what they look like in the wild. Piece of content. Generally, you will see that it is highlighted. These are not, oh, this is a backlink. So, as you can see, this is a hyperlink to another website. Probably whoever, purchased this post or acquired this post, or whatever the case may be here. You can see generally they'll be highlighted, or when you go over it, it'll turn to like a hand or however your browser is set. So at the end of the day, guys, a backlink is literally another website vouching for yours. It's a hyperlink from one site to another. In the next video, I will discuss do follow and no follow links and what the difference is. Thank you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you'd like me to make a video about anything that you have a question about, please leave it in the comment and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.